the Expert ACM Supply Chain and Allied Domain Knowledge Sharing session. In this session, let us discuss a term called shrinkage. Shrinkage is a loss of inventory that can be attributed to factors such as employee theft, shoplifting, administrative error, vendor fraud, damage, and cashier error. Shrinkage is the difference between recorded inventory on a company's balance sheet and its actual inventory. This concept is a key problem for retailers as it results in the loss of inventory, which ultimately means loss of profits. Shrinkage is the difference between the recorded, that is book inventory, and the actual physical inventory. Book inventory uses the dollar value to track exact amount of inventory that should be in hand for the retailer. When the retailer receives a product to sell, it records the dollar value of the inventory on its balance sheet as a current asset. For example, if a retailer accepts $1 million of a product, the inventory account increases by 1 million. Every time an item is sold, the inventory account is reduced by the cost of the product and revenue is recorded for the amount of the sale. However, inventory is often lost due to number of reasons, causing a discrepancy between book inventory and the physical inventory. The difference between these two inventory type is known as the shrinkage. In the example above, the book inventory is $1 million, but if the retailer checks the physical inventory and realizes it is only $900,000, then a certain part of inventory is lost and the shrinkage is $100,000. The impact of shrinkage is largest impact is a loss of profit. This is especially negative in retail environment where businesses operate on low margin and high volume, meaning that retailer have to sell large amount of product to make a profit. If a retailer loses inventory through shrinkage, it cannot recoup the cost of the inventory itself, as there is no inventory to sell nor inventory to return, which it trickles down to decrease the bottom line. Thanks for watching. Bye.